So, how long have you been on this job? Okay. Well,
You wanna die?
how long have you been on this job? So, sir.
Oh yeah.
How long have you been on this job? I'm kind of cramped in here.
Been about. Oh yeah. It's been about 2 seconds now.
Oh. All right then. Oh, you sure this is safe? And
I don't know. I've been on the job for about 30 seconds now. Man, I love this part.
Woo! I can't really. I keep hitting my head.
Yeah, it's kind of a challenge. Ow! It's a challenging job. I think I just cracked my head open. Yeah, but I was saying, it's a challenging job, but you know. Hey, shut up! I'm trying to drive here.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, so sometimes it's a little rough, but you know, pays well.
Want some candy?
Pays. Shut up! Just shut up! It pays about, you know, maybe about -2. Hey! I told you to shut up! Pays about maybe like -2. -2
I don't like M&M's though.
It's about -2 cents.
You like
every
M&Ms?
about 30 cents.
Oh, have you tried these pretzel M&M's?
No, I haven't. Now leave me alone. I'm in an interview here.
Your seatbelt isn't buckled.
I don't freaking care. You're not even in the truck. You're in the back. What is that?
No, you're drinking while driving.
I don't give a. Hey, so after interviewing that guy, I can hear you. I decided.
I'm gonna be interviewed over here.
I thought I told you to shut up.
I decided to take on the job myself. I mean, I thought it kind of sounded interesting, you know. Plus, it made a lot of. What the heck? Kind of made some friends. Like Bob the Builder out there. Yeah, he's one heck of a worker in his nice little truck. What?
Enemy.
You're not your enemy. I'm just the new guy.
That's right. You just keep recording your little camera while you're driving your little truck. We'll teach you a lesson. You'll see. It's coming. It's coming. You just keep on recording yourself, little boy. Punishment's coming. That's right.
Who's even driving y'all's car? Ah. Yeah. Not our day of the job. What the? What is he doing?
Just keep on recording your little self.
Oh. What do you think about doing? Oh.